Hello, today we are going to be opening one Series 2 packet, which includes 2 Moshi leaves plus 1 collector card. We will be getting any 2 of these. So, let's get opening. They didn't put a slip on the bottom, which is very odd. If you want to know where I got them at Toys R Us. I just couldn't wait to open it, so I decided to open it in the cart. So, this is tough. This packaging they put on is very tough. So, we've got Stanley collector's card. There we go, Stanley. And I've already got this one, Flicken's already got him. And I knew this one would be in here. Fifi. So not very good selection since that equals 17. But thanks for watching my video. Bubble Fairy 2012 here. Bye.